Tired of waiting endlessly for your iPhone to charge? In today's video, I'm revealing my 6 best fast charger picks for the iPhone 17 Pro in 2025. Tested, trusted, and worth your attention. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to grab yours through the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is Baseus Fast Charger. It's surprising how many people invest in powerful fast chargers, yet still pair them with cases that choke wireless efficiency. That's where this aramid design earns attention. It blends Featherlight style with MagSafe strength, letting those 65-watt chargers perform at their peak without interference. Made from aerospace-grade fibers, it feels slim in hand yet delivers the kind of durability that gives peace of mind during accidental drops. Compared to bulkier protective covers, this one keeps a sleek profile while still shielding edges and camera lenses with precision. The MagSafe connection locks cleanly onto charging pads and car mounts, making transition smooth and frustration-free, unlike cheaper cases that misalign. Paired with the fast chargers in my picks, it creates a seamless daily setup, power and protection working in sync. If you're someone who values reliable charging speed, minimal design, and long-term resilience, this is a smart, confident buy, tested for daily comfort and worth recommending. At number 5 is Dulums Fast Charger. It's frustrating how most wall chargers either charge fast or charge multiple devices, but rarely both. This one finally bridges that gap. Delivering up to 40 watt with power delivery and quick charge support, it takes your iPhone from 0 to nearly 60% in just half an hour, which feels like a lifesaver in busy mornings. Dual USB-C and dual USB-A ports mean you can power 4 devices at once without hogging multiple outlets, something slimmer chargers in the list can't match. The compact size makes it easy to slip into a pocket or bag, and the built-in smart chip keeps everything cool and safe, giving peace of mind during long charging sessions. Compared to heavier single-port fast bricks, this cube balances performance with portability. If you're a traveler, student, or family sharing outlets, this charger delivers tested efficiency and the kind of everyday reliability we only recommend when it's truly worth it. At number 4 is MINIX Fast Charger. It's hard to believe one compact charger can replace a desk full of adapters, yet this GAN-powered design proves it's possible. Delivering 66 watt across 3 ports, it charges your iPhone, laptop, and earbuds together without breaking a sweat, giving that instant feeling of relief when multiple devices are running low. Compared to dual-port chargers in my fast charger picks, this one stands out for its balance of portability and versatility. Foldable wall plugs and worldwide adapters make it a true travel essential. The smart detection system adjusts power intelligently, ensuring each device gets efficient speed without overheating. Tested for real-world comfort in daily use. While slightly bulkier than slim single-port chargers, the trade-off is confidence that all your gear is covered, whether at home, office, or abroad. For frequent travelers, professionals, or anyone managing multiple devices at once, this is a smart, forward-thinking choice we recommend because it genuinely simplifies life while keeping performance at its core. The third one on our list is TORRAS FlexLine Fast Charger. Most chargers promise speed, but very few solve the everyday headache of tangled cords. This one takes that frustration and replaces it with relief. Delivering 67 watt of GAN-powered performance, it charges your iPhone or even a MacBook with impressive pace, hitting 30% in minutes, and proving itself tested in real-world comfort. The real magic, though, is the retractable smooth flex cable. Durable, adjustable, and smooth enough to keep your setup clutter-free at home, work, or while traveling. Compared to compact bricks in my fast charger picks, this one stands out for practicality. It combines powerful dual devices charging with a smart design that keeps things tidy. Advanced temperature monitoring keeps your devices safe while ensuring steady efficiency, something cheaper chargers often compromise on. While not the smallest in the lineup, its versatility outweighs size concerns. For anyone tired of messy cables and juggling multiple adapters, this charger feels like a smart, forward-thinking choice. We recommend for people who value both performance and convenience. On number 2 is Spigen GAN Fast Charger. It's almost unreal how a charger this small can deliver laptop-level power, yet that's the appeal of this GAN design. Pumping out up to 65 watt, it takes your iPhone 17 Pro or MacBook from low to ready in record time. A feature that instantly brings relief to anyone tired of slow, outdated bricks. The dual USB-C ports supporting PD and PPS make multitasking smooth. Charge 2 devices at once without sacrificing efficiency, something many compact chargers in my fast charger picks fail to balance. Heat management is another win here. with GaN tech keeping things cool even under heavy use, ensuring long-term safety tested for real-world comfort. While it doesn't pack 4 ports like some larger chargers, its compact size and portability make it perfect for travel and daily use. For professionals, students, or anyone needing reliable speed without clutter, this charger feels like a smart, future-ready investment that simplifies charging while delivering peace of mind every single day. Now, moving to the last one is UGREEN Nexode Fast Charger. It's shocking how quickly our devices drain in 2025, but this GaN-powered charger feels like a lifeline. Delivering up to 100 watt, it can push a MacBook Air to more than half in under 30 minutes, giving that instant feeling of relief when you're short on time. With 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, it tackles phones, tablets, and laptops simultaneously, solving the everyday chaos of juggling multiple adapters. Compared to dual-port chargers in my fast charger picks, this one stands out for sheer versatility, making it a powerhouse for both home and travel. The foldable plug and compact size slip easily into a pocket or bag, while smart temperature sensors and intelligent power management keep everything safe, tested for real-world comfort so you can trust it day after day. While some laptops may not reach full speed due to protocol limits, it remains a top-tier choice for Apple users and multitaskers who demand reliable, fast power without compromise. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best iPhone 17 Pro fast chargers 2025. My best picks so far. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.